am so happy for you because now you have the audience pain point insight tracker to log all of the information that your clients are telling you. Their pain points, their keywords, what are the words that they're using to express these pain points, what are the top pain points, and you have all of the information from where you got this, was it a live event, one on one, when it was, etc. So when you buy this template, you see this page over here, and on the top right, you see this duplicate button. This is really important. The template that you see here, it can be modified. To be editable, you need to click on this duplicate button so that it gets copied into your Notion workspace. I'm going to click add on private. This is a free template, by the way, which I was working on. Now it says that the template is being added. We need to wait a bit. And now it says that the template is ready. We're going to click on see template. And this is the version that you can modify. I have left this here at the beginning, but it's actually what we're going to look at last. So everything here has a toggle so that you can hide the information that you don't want to see. We'll start from the back to the top. I love doing that. So the section in their language is what are your ideal clients saying? So the idea here is that you have a date, where you got this from, and what is the type of pain point, because adding this category from here is what will allow us to sort to get the top pain points. In their words, what was it that they said? And if you open here, you can add the same information that I'm guiding you, walking you through, but you can also add more details here. So here you can use all of Notion features like the heading. So for instance, you could say more info on this one. I talked to the client and they are struggling with blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this is just an example. You add more details. Then we scroll and you can add keywords. And this is something you select on your own. It is not automatically. But here, from this phrase, what are the keywords that are most important that you want to use in your content? You just put it here. And then we will get the count of the top keywords as well. In case you're interested in tracking who said it, you can have this select field just to remember who said what. In case you're not interested on tracking this, you can right click and then click on hide or just delete it. I'm going to undo that change because I don't want to keep it. So this is useful for the time when you have to create content, and maybe while you read this, you just want to write a note here of a potential content idea that you can do, but actually you are not ready to work on the content. You're doing the market research. What are your clients saying? So this is our useful notes for that case. You can also link to a freebie solution that talks to that pain point in case you are doing that type of market research. And finally, in case you have a link, you could, of course, just modify this from Instagram to website. You see how I renamed it. I'm going to undo the change. But here, the idea is that in case you want to know more about this person, you can just go and learn more about them. So how do we add a new pain point here? We're going to click on new, and then we're going to write the pain point here. So let's say they're saying Kajabi is too expensive. What do you recommend? So then the answer content, I will actually drag it here right now because I want it to be at the top, and you can learn how to do this meanwhile, like the website. Like the most important things that we want to add are the pain point type, the source, and the keywords and their own words. The rest, it's rather optional. So we can just click here and decide on the date. Let's say that it was today. Pain point type, we do have a few here, so I could just select one, for instance, delegation. I can delete it, so I unlinked it. And now I can add a new pain point. And it will give me this option at the end to add a new pain point. And now I have it added. Then the source, we can do exactly the same and add more. For now, I'm going to choose the course and the keywords. So here I should write, for instance, Kajabi. And it's here. I can select it. Then I can add expensive, for instance. People are complaining that things are expensive. Now, this isn't in my keyword. So if I click on it, same as before, it will add it and now it's there. For the freebie solutions, you can just choose anything here, just paste the URL, etc. Next on, we have the keyword section. When we untoggle this, we see there's nothing to be done here. This is just to watch the information. Based on our current data, the top keywords are ManyChat and Kajabi. If we scroll up, we also have their pain points. And this is amazing because it just automatically calculates the top pain points. Based on the information that we have, the top pain point is how to. And if we scroll a bit to the right, we will see the keywords. All of these are keywords related to when people talk about these pain points, these are the keywords that they are using. Then we also see how many people have this particular pain point. And then lastly, we have these nice cards here. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to take me to here. Here I can decide to change cover and just go to Unsplash. And for instance, choose this person. And then when I go out, I see this new person. So let's click again. And now I have this John Doe. So this is his name, the date that was created, and then I have some adjectives associated to his personality. I have his age, the location, all of these I can click and edit. This is just text. It's not a select field, but you could. I have how many children they have, their gender, and I also have their marital status. Then the idea is that you create these people, which are fake people, based on the findings that you have here. So the idea is that when you are creating content, you just look at these people and like it's easier to put yourself into their shoes. Like they are extroverted or they're introverted, they're digital nomads, they're impatient, so that you can just visualize better like who these people are that you are talking to. For instance, my ideal client avatar is called Samantha. So that is it. That's the template in a nutshell. I'm really excited for you to use this template because this is what will help you to write better content, better sales pages, because you are reading, like reusing the words that they are saying so that when they read your content, they feel like you are reading their mind.